Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Apify for lead research to find target companies, complete guide step by step clearly. To start your subscription to Apify for lead research, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Apify website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for a prominent sign up or registration button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure that you use a valid email that you have access to. Next, create a strong password that meets the platform's security requirements. After filling in your email and password, look for a confirmation button to proceed. Once you click the confirmation button, check your email inbox for a verification message from Apify. Open the email and follow the verification link provided. This step will redirect you back to the Apify website, confirming your email address. Now you can log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, navigate to the pricing page to explore the available subscription plans. Review the features included in each plan to determine which one meets your lead research needs. You will then be required to enter your billing information. Fill out the necessary details, including your payment method and address. After entering your information, review your subscription details. Make sure everything is correct before clicking the final confirmation button to complete your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Now, return to your Apify account dashboard. Explore the various tools and features available for lead research. Utilize the search functions to find target companies based on your criteria. You can also save custom searches for easy access in the future. Adjust filters and parameters to refine your lead research further. With your subscription active, you are now equipped to find valuable leads efficiently. Start collecting and organizing your leads into lists for outreach. Regularly check back for updates and new features that can enhance your lead research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.